Hi guys, I made a few videos about one of the favorite toys of my 3-year-old daughter, and it's called the Haba Kullerbu sets. These are ball tracks. My daughter has a few different tracks. They all have the same items in them, quite the same items. Someone asked me to make a tutorial, so I'm trying to do one. As said, each set has some different items. So first of all, there are the tracks, of course. Some have curves, are straight, others have go down, so the balls get their speed. There are some special ball tracks, some decorational stuff like bells. Of course, there are poles. You use this so the ball tracks can go up. All the poles have different lengths. They have a number on it. I hope you can see it. This one's number 13. The numbers indicate the height of the pole. It's not in centimeters, not in inches. I don't know why this is a 13, but a number 3, which is the lowest number, isn't 3 centimeters, it's 5.5, but it's not 3 inches either. Then there are bases for the poles, there are top pieces for the poles, and there are also some things to combine two poles so you can make a higher one. Okay, one last thing, of course, I forgot. Balls. Some balls have funny drawings on them, others just one color, but there are also balls with special abilities. These ones make a sound. Okay, now we have all our things together, we can start building a track. I would like to say I don't think this is one box. I think it's a combination of pieces from different boxes, but that's no problem. You can combine them all. So first of all, we're going to start at the lowest point. Then we can go up to the start, where you can place the balls. It's a very easy system. Each track has a hole, and at the side it has also a curve in it. The pieces, the light green pieces, are used to hold two tracks together. Those pieces have 2 bumps, and the track in the side clips in here. You can see it's very easy to do. Click it in, and it's very stable. You can make the whole ball track like this. Once you start it, you can take a piece you want. It doesn't matter what it is. When you have just one box, it's the most easy to make just that track that's on the box. But once you have different sets, you can combine them, and you can use every piece, every different piece where you want in your track. The big yellow turns have also a hole over here. The poles fix inside, so you can see it stays where it needs to. And so you can go further and make the track you want. I'm going to finish a little track. For the poles, the bases have 4 sticks 4 pieces that stick outside. It has the same view as the poles. The top has it also, so you can just make the poles like this. It's very easy. It just clicks. Because the poles all have numbers, you can calculate very easy which one is the next pole you want. So this would be a number 8, I think. This would be a 9. When I take the yellow turn, I need to go 4 numbers up, I think. So I'm going to search. This is a 13. It fits. It's just that easy to play with this. I just want to make a pole under the turn, so I don't have a number 11 or 12. That's what I need over there. So I'm going to pick 2 poles together. So I have maybe a number 10. You can just put this. It has the same. And now we are going to draw. No, it's very obvious. This is too high. So I made 13. Now I'm making 12, and I hope that's the right height. Perfect. And we also have some straight pieces. Oh, this one was a 13. I don't have a pole with number 13, so I'm going to combine a number 10 and a number 3. Maybe may not forget the top. And then the last thing, it will go up, so I am going to make a pole height 15, combining 2, one of 10 and one of 5. This piece is the start of the track. You can click it over here. It doesn't need any more support. Now it's finished and we can let the balls roll. Mostly that's the part my daughter does. At this moment she's not old enough to make the track herself. Now I'm going to follow the ball. I'm going to take the one with the sounds and then the yellow. And the balls follow the track. They started with the balls, but at this moment they have some additions. They also have some cars who can ride on the track. They can't take the yellow turns, but in the sets with the cars they're not available, and they're replaced with a track that's more on the ground. Just a few differences in the height. I hope you liked this video. I hope you understand how you can play with these toys. My daughter plays with it from when she's I think 18 months or so. She's not able to make a track herself. I've never seen her do it, but I don't think it's going to take long.